Okay, another question is how much do we offset the system? And what I mean by offset, I mean how much production do we want the solar panel system to produce according to our consumption? And you would automatically think that we want to produce 100%, but that's not the case for every home, because some houses are in areas where there's not a solar buyback electric company. Like a co-op, a lot of co-ops don't participate. So if you offset your system at 100%, then you're basically producing electricity for the electric company. So what we do in areas where people don't have there's not a solar buyback program, they don't have an option, then we offset the system about 70%, 75%, somewhere in there. And that way during the day, they're producing their own electricity, their house is running off their own energy. Then at night, because they're not sending any credits back and they're not getting any credit back from the electric company, they're just using the electric company. It still makes total sense to do that if you're not in a place where they buy back energy. Now, to go 100% makes sense for the people who are in areas where everything's deregulated. They have their choice to go to whatever electric company they want. And some are better than others. But you want to produce 100% if you've got an electric company that purchases your electric. Instead of having a meter where you're just buying electricity, now you have this bi-directional meter and you're selling it back to the electric company. And the best ones are the ones who buy dollar for dollar, meaning if you're purchasing electricity for 12, 14, 16 cents, the excess that you're producing from your solar system, you're sending it back to them, to the grid, they're purchasing it for the same price, 12, 14, 16 cents. That's the best ones. And even an extra bonus is the electric companies that roll over month to month. Those are the best ones. And there's a lot of them. A lot of homes are going solar. And so even the electric companies are trying to get more competitive on this. So if you'd like to know more about your own situation as far as your home, whether to go 100%, offset it 60 or 70 or 80%, give us a call and we'll be glad to help you answer those questions. Also, if you'd like to learn more about going solar or energy efficiency, subscribe to our channel.